The particulars are that on the 2nd of November this year at Kisaasi in Kampala district, it's alleged that the accused with others who are still at large stole 3 motor vehicles, all valued approximately at 145 million, the property of Khan Tahammul Ahmed. So the accused, represented by Counsel Matovu Akram, pleaded not guilty and applied for bail, generally relying on the presumption of innocence set out in Article 28(3) of the Constitution and Section 77 of the Magistrate Courts Act. As a refugee in this country, the accused person also enjoys the right to apply for bail and the right to liberty if no proof has been given to his intention to leave the country. So having regard to all the circumstances of the case, I'm inclined to grant bail to the accused person. In order to oblige him to return to the court, I do grant him bail at 8 million shillings cash.
Last month I left to my open heart surgery. I went for operation and I left 3 Pakistanis in the company. One was the manager, the other was the supervisors too. As soon as I left, after that they stole 3 of my trucks, Isuzu new model, which has a fridge behind, and they sell it to somewhere in Kawempe. And the 2 of them, they escaped to Pakistan. One of them, we got arrested day before yesterday at Kira Road Police Station, and he brought to the court. 2 of them, they escaped to Pakistan. Requesting the Pakistan High Commission don't issue this temporary passport people to run away, escape from here, from Uganda after doing all such a crime. Things are going on. They do the crime and then they escape from country. They go away. They run away from Uganda.